Hello and welcome. I'm Ivan from Perun Moto, and today I would like to talk about the Mosko Moto Alpine 60 rackless bags mounted on the CF-Moto 450MT or Ibex 450 depending on the market. The bike is equipped with our top luggage rack, which offers several pre-drilled holes for the Gnoblin, Mosko's quick release system for their rackless bags, which speeds up mounting and removal of the bags. In terms of fitment, the bag sits very stable on the bike. Side holsters are partially supported by the side panels of the bike, but this new version 4 harness is stiff and doesn't need any special support. On the exhaust side, there is plenty of clearance between the bag and the silencer. As I have already mentioned, our top rack offers several pre-drilled holes for the Gnoblin. This one, and this one. We are using the rear hole as it puts the bag in perfect position. Notice we are using the spacers beneath the Gnoblin button. This raises the Gnoblin slightly, which greatly helps with the installation and removal of the bags. If your Gnoblin came without the spacers, you can use a stack of flat washers, approximately 10 mm tall, to the same effect. To mount the bag onto the bike, simply place the entire system onto the tail. Make sure the Gnoblin locking pin is loosened, then align Gnoblin with the Gnoblin button. Push the bags forward and make sure the Gnoblin is engaged. After that, we can move to the lower straps, which attach to passenger footpack brackets. Wrap the strap around the footpack bracket and engage the buckle. No need to tighten the strap fully for now. We will do both sides gradually. Once both lower straps are engaged, make sure the bags are centered on the bike. Like this. And then we can tighten both straps completely. One side and the other. Don't forget to secure the loose strap ends. This can be trimmed to length if these bags won't be moved from one bike to the other. For now, I will just place them behind, but be mindful of this. With lower straps secured, we can move back to the Gnoblin. To complete the installation, just tighten the locking pin, which will firmly set the bags and prevent any movement. From the rider's perspective, mounted like this, the bags stay out of the way. They are positioned far enough to the back that they will not hit the leg, either while seated or when standing up. I can move all the way back and be in the attacking position. Keep in mind, if the tail bag is mounted and you're using a backpack, some contact will occur. This is surprisingly spacious luggage setup. It will work really well for weekend trips and for longer rides. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.